Remember what it looked like. This might be old file. We still got a little bit left. Now we're going to show you what it looks like clean. Wow. Look at that floor, folks. All that dirt out of the grout. We still got Cody working away here. Working hard. Get that last little bit cleaned up. Go, Cody, go. Now I played a joke on Cody. Told him this is the way we do the tile floors with a hand tool. He hasn't seen the wand yet. Hey, this is old school. Hands, knees, and a pressure tool.
And I have no problems with it.
There we go. Cody doesn't mind getting in there. Alright, look at that. Folks, this is just the best way to do your floors. Takes all the work out of it. Let us do the hard work. We've got the right tools and equipment here at dang good. And boy, you just can't go wrong. What takes us an hour will take you all day. That's for sure. We're just finishing up this last little bit. We did this with a hand tool just because it was really dirty. And you can see here, just an amazing difference on this floor compared to what it was. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed our little video. Cody didn't want to take a break here. He's kind of mad at me because I let him do all the work. I was just doing the video. Alright everybody, have a dang good day.